Today we are discussing about the international logistics. International logistics broadly means flow of materials and information between consumers and suppliers. Logistics will include interdependent processes of customer service, order processing, inventory planning and management, supply, transport, distribution and warehousing. In customer service and order processing, we include customer service policy design, order entry, order processing, status, communication, invoicing. In inventory planning and management, we include forecasting, fill rate policy design, order quantity engineering, replenishment design and deployment. In supply, we include supply chain integration, supplier relationships, procurement, and manufacturing engineering. In transportation and distribution, we include logistics, network design, routing, scheduling, shipment, planning and tracking, mode of selection and carrier selection. In warehousing, we include cross-docking, receiving, put away, storage and handling systems, order picking, layout. Logistic planning methodology addresses in turn performance measures, goals, processes, designs, information system, infrastructure and organization design. There are certain strategies of logistics in international marketing, which we are going to discuss now. Logistics strategies has emerged as a subject of considerable interest, particularly in terms of strategic advantage, and that as a result, strategic logistics has received an increased emphasis. It points out one popular conceptualization of logistics strategy is the Bowersox in 1987 typology, and that empirical evidence supports this typology in international marketing. It states that firms increase their international operations and involvement. Logistics strategy becomes even more important. There are few strategies of logistics that may be discussed clearly as follows. Logistic master planning. Logistics master planning. It is a systematic approach to logistics re-engineering based on logistics planning pyramid. The LMP process, logistic master planning. It defines performance measures, goals, processes, system requirements, organization requirements for customer service and order processing, inventory planning and management, supply, transportation and distribution operations. LMP is a short-term and long-term recommendations which are evaluated and time-based with the principles of incremental justification and implementation. LMP process requires the client to assemble a cross-functional logistics planning and management team. LMP deliverables include a detailed, prioritized, scheduled, short and long-term action plans for performance measures and goals, processes, information, short and long-term action plans for organization design, logistic information system requirements, a detailed material and information force, a detailed organizational and training requirements. In some cases, logistic resources international equips LMP clients with decision support tools for ongoing computer logistics planning and management. Supply chain engineering, SCE. Supply chain engineering program. It brings together manufacturers, warehouse, wholesalers, retailers in a given industry to jointly re-engineer logistic chain. Our SCE program, it includes creation of a supply chain scoreboard, supply chain value analysis, short and long term recommendations for inventory, cycle time reductions, and supply chain information system requirements analysis. SCE program is also conducted in a workshop format with facilitated breakout and general working sessions. Now, international logistics, which a master planning program include a traditional scope of logistics include international commerce, international sourcing, international transportation and distribution, the terms of trade, customs management, international warehousing, international facilities management, etc., which include international cash flow. Logistic Organizational Design (LOD). It assists clients to determine skill participation, cultural requirements for logistics planning and management terms, to facilitate change and transition management, to identify appropriate performance measures and incentives, to instill a culture coordinated team-based logistics planning and decision making. Business Case Development (BCD). Business Case Development Program assists client to identify, assess, convert business opportunities in the logistics industry. For example, a creation of business case and plan for third-party logistics in Latin America, a market assessment of pick-to-light system in North America, an evaluation of third-party logistics options for 3 major US corporations. Now, logistics operation design. In this, warehouse master planning. The warehouse master planning, it evaluates current warehousing performance and practices and specify action steps required to achieve world-class performance and practices in warehousing and distribution center operations. The program addresses all functional areas in the warehouse include receiving, put away, storage, replenishment, order picking, shipping, layout, and material handling systems engineering. Typical deliverable include warehouse process, definitions, material and information inflows, layout drawings, material and information handling system, design and justification. WMS process required between 4 and 8 weeks to complete and requires the client to assemble a cross-functional warehouse planning and management teams. Now, master planning. Transportation master planning is based on transportation and distribution. Planning pyramid addresses performance measures, goals, process design, logistic network design, routing, scheduling, shipping, planning, tracking, modes and carrier selection, fleet configuration and management. So transportation management is a system requirement and transportation organization design. The program makes use of the logistic modeling software. A typical deliverables include a recognized, reconfigured logistic network design, routing, scheduling plans, shipment planning tools, and mode or carrier selection policies. So the TMP process requires between 6 to 10 weeks to complete. Now, logistic information system. It is with the distribution of international level, some of the decisions need to be taken. Warehouse management system. Warehouse management System means consulting program. It assists client to develop functional and technical requirements for warehouse management system to determine appropriate and justifiable investments to decide whether to enhance, build, buy a system functionally to close functional or technical gaps, to identify, select appropriate vendors, to provide expert facilitation to project management throughout the implementation process. Logistic Information System is a consulting program which assists client to develop functional technical requirements for logistic information system, incorporating logistic database design, pick-to-light system in different countries, and evaluation of third-party logistics, etc. Logistic audit. A freight logistic audit, it is to cover both inbound and outbound transport as well as other logistics related activities like stock management, warehousing, trade compliance. A logistic audit is invariably start with gathering quantitative and qualitative data from key stakeholders and with analyzing, interpreting and information. The main department collaborating in data collection and interviews will typically logistic and transportation, warehousing, purchasing, production, trade, compliance, customer service, IT departments. These are the major centers of audit program. So all these departments involved directly or indirectly in the supply chain and can provide a valuable insight into the situation as well as benefit from the outcome of the audit. Thank you.